It's a nice enough day here in Da Nang. Rain this morning, but it's pretty nice here now. And I'm just kind of walking around, taking photos. So I thought I would do something a little bit different today and shoot with Leica lenses on a Sony body. Just see how it works out, and today I was kind of in the mood to slow down a little and try something new, experiment a little bit. I just got to the old stadium, which is really falling apart. I'm in this historical kind of unique place because I wanted to do something different. I wanted to put a Leica lens on a Sony body. I have a 75mm 2.5 Sumerit and also the same series, a 50mm 2.5 Sumerit. I just opened this lens to 2.8 and hopefully I can still find the focus. I've focus peaking on, so that should help a little bit, and I'm checking a lot of the shots afterwards, zooming in. It's really nice to slow down a bit and just pay attention to what I'm doing. This lens has such a short focus throw on it. It's difficult to nail the focus, so I'm slowing down a little, really taking my time, and here it's not about fast-paced movement because there's no people. And I think that's really what I wanted to do today, is instead of letting the random happen, which I usually do with street photos and with travel photos, looking for the random, looking for people to come to me or scenes to come to me. What I'm doing today is creating a little bit more, finding these scenes, and it's one of the reasons why I came to this place, because there's a lot of texture, there's a lot of grit, I can find angles, I can find something different, and I just want to create instead of letting things happen. I've been thinking about doing things differently and reflecting on my life a bit and how I've kind of done things a little bit differently. I'm a Canadian here in Vietnam. I live at least half the year here in Asia, and I have for the past 7 years. I started out as a wedding photographer in around 2004 and then transitioned into wedding videography about 15, 16 years ago. That's all I've ever done, so really videography has opened so much for me in my life, and it's made it so I've been able to live differently. So that's it for the stadium. I think I was here for about an hour. I like this place. It's really interesting. It was here that I threw out the do something differently, and I went over to the Con Market, which is right across the road from the stadium. This is a really busy place that I love to shoot. I still was doing something a little differently in that I was still using the Leica lenses on the Sony body. I had the 50mm 2.5 Sumerit on, and I closed down the aperture to about f8 or f11 because really I needed all the help I could get in making sure that I could, get things in focus in a faster paced environment. I'll definitely use these lenses and put them on an M-mount body, and that's their intended purpose, but it was a really fun experiment to throw them onto a Sony a7 IV and just see the results from them. I actually really like the results. You know, there was a lot of misses because of poor focusing on my part, you know, complete user error. It's not something I'm going to do often because, you know, I have no need to, but it was great to experiment, and it was something that I just love doing to you know, try and see things a little bit differently. Okay, thanks for watching.